with chopstick. Ganito ang challenge namin. Susubukan yung chopstick, tapos pa-shoot mo yung cheese ring. Padamihan dapat. Ganyan. So, kung sino ang mas madami, siya panalo. Okay, guys, let's begin.
Start tayo sa within 4 minutes lang, ha? Kung sino yung pinakamarami sa 4 minutes, siya ang
Panalo!
okay. Let's start, ha? Wait lang. Wala pa. Wait lang. And 5. Wala mo na. Itataas nyo muna yung stick nyo. Nakataas, Ayla. Nakataas. Okay. Let's start, ha? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. Mama, anong nangyari sa'yo?
Ay, don't touch. AC, don't touch your stick. Don't touch. Side AC, do. Don't touch AC. Not counted yan kapag tinatouch. Okay, go. 2 minutes and more. Let's do this. Yung nasa harapan not counted, yung sa side lang. Go. Oh, not counted. Yung nasa loob lang ng plate. Go more, Sayla, go. Don't touch that. Yung nasa side lang ang mga counted, wala sa harapan, 1 minute more. May oras pa. Not counted that. Oh, don't touch your mouth, your stick. Sayla is very good, No touch, Sayla AC. Not counted.
Go.
More, time. More time. One minute. Ay, don't touch. Balik mo yan. Ibalik mo.
Kinuha ko na yun.
No.
Kinuha ko na
Ay,
yun.
bawal niyang hawakan Balik mo. Kunin yung nasa harapan. Pero don't touch, Don't touch. 40 seconds. Sige, 30 seconds. Careful. 20 seconds. Don't touch. 10 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. 1. Okay. Okay. Sino kaya ang panalo dyan? Oh, let's count ha.
Laway
Oh, bilangin mo. Okay. 1, 2. Bilangin mo sa AC.
1, 2, 3,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. Oh, how about you, Sayla?
1, 2, 3,
4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Ah! Sino panalo?
Me!
Yay! Ikaw? Ilan?
14.
How about you?
16.
16! High five! Good job!
Happy!
Okay, and let's eat!
Bye-bye!
Sige, bye-bye! Thank you for watching! Hope you like it!
Yeah. Bye-bye! Mwah! Subscribe to us! Don't forget!
Yay!
Don't forget!